All right, what's going on, folks? Ontarian Hawkins here, back at you with another video. Real quick video here that I want to show you a real live trade that I'm in right now. I had somebody on my YouTube channel ask me, "Hey, can you show us a live trade that you took from Manara?" And this is it right here, guys. And after this video, I'm going to show you exactly what it is. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly why I took it, and how I'm going to show you my profits as well. This is a new week, this is going to be a new account flip. I like to try to do at least one account flip a week or every 2 weeks. Started this again, another new account. Last week I did 500 to over 3,000. This week I'm trying to see how far I can go. I'm actually potentially swing trading this particular pair, this indice, which is actually a couple of indices that I'm in right now, US30 and NAS100. But I'm really excited about the US30 one because that's the one that showed up on Friday on a Manara scanner. So let's get into this. Here is the chart right here, as you can see. Let's go to the hour chart. You see my entry right here. Okay, the entry is right. You see those green dotted lines? That's where I got in on the trade, which is a sniper entry. If you go to the 5-minute chart, you can see it real well. Okay, that my entry is very, very good, guys, and we're looking, and I'm expecting this to really go down quite a bit of ways. So I'm going to be monitoring this to see how low we can go. But look at my entry, guys. Now these lines that I have, these red lines that I have, are support and resistance levels. This is where price has been respecting that area. As you can see, it broke out of a support area right there, and price, I'm again expecting it to continue down. The next area of reference or area of support is where you see the next line. And I'm going to show you all this, guys, on the Manara. So again, a fresh $500 500 and some change account. We're already over $1,000. We're already over $500, guys. And as you can see, I'm stacking trades. I do not advise this at all unless you know what you're looking at and unless you know what you're doing. Okay? Please, I got to give a disclaimer. My results are not typical, ladies and gentlemen. Please understand, if you're new to trading, do not stack trades like I'm doing. If you're going to trade indices, they move fast. And if you start off with a $500, you can blow that real fast with indices if you don't know what you're looking at. So I recommend you if you do indices, do one trade just one at a time, right? You're going to open up just one trade at a time depending on your balance. If you got a $500 account, you're going to open up one trade at a time, okay? If you got more than 500, do 1,000, you can probably do 2 trades max at a time. Do not go over that. I'm doing this to show you guys the potential of when you start to get used to trading, you start to get used to, looking at the patterns and everything, and looking at the Manara. I'm showing you the potential what you can do with your account over time. This is a risk. This risky what I'm doing because again, only a $500+ account. And now, as you can see, the equity is over 1,000, so I can close out now and be over $1,000. But again, I'm expecting this price to move down. Now, what I'm gonna do before I go to bed is I'm gonna do something called I'm gonna set a trailing stop loss. I'm gonna move my trailing stop loss down to probably to one of the major levels that it broke in order to secure the bag. Okay. That way, if I'm sleeping, price goes back up to that point to my stop loss, I'm still in profit. Okay, so I'm really excited about this trade. If you go to the 30-minute chart, as you can see, on Friday, the price just shot up, as you can see. Okay, but I seen that, and I went to my Manara too. I said, well, you know what? A deep crowd pattern has to be forming. This is too parabolic right now. It needs to correct and it needs to drop. So, and that's exactly what I expected it to do, and it's doing that as we speak. So I'm just monitoring to see if is it a real pullback or is it going to continue down, because the market has to breathe. It has to breathe. It has to breathe. It has to come back to a certain point, and I'm going to see if it's going to continue up. So I'm monitoring this again. I'm looking to swing trade this, hold it for a while, hopefully, and we'll see how far we can take it. But again, I'm going to secure my profits. I'm going to make sure I'm going to secure the bag before I go to sleep and set my stop loss, my trailing stop loss in place. Okay. So again, guys, thanks for watching. My next video, I'm going to show you why I got into this trade, how I got into this trade, and my entry point, guys. The great thing about Manara, it helps you with your entry points. It gives you the entry, gives you the exit, and gives you the target as well. Okay, it is powerful. So that's my time, guys. Next video, watch out for that. To get started, hold on, babe. My wife called me, so I'm going to go ahead and end this. Go to the link below to get started.
Cookie's husband is her.
Okay. All right, baby. All right. So take care, guys. Hit the link below. Let's get started. And looking for my next video soon. Take care.